Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a truck that blends timeless nostalgia with cutting-edge performance and modern features. Yes, we're talking about a 2025 Chevy K20 Vintage Pickup. This truck is not just a vehicle. It's a masterpiece that pays homage to Chevy's rich history of tough and dependable workhorses, specifically the iconic K-Series trucks of the 1970s and 1980s. Chevrolet has truly captured the hearts of truck enthusiasts with this release, perfectly balancing classic design cues with the advanced technology and engineering expected in today's vehicles. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on an in-depth journey to explore the exterior, interior, performance, pricing, and everything else you need to know about the 2025 Chevy K20 Vintage Pickup. By the end of this video, you'll know if this is the right truck for you or just a collector's dream. Let's begin with the exterior design. At first glance, the 2025 Chevy K20 Vintage Pickup is a visual treat for anyone who appreciates classic trucks. The design team at Chevrolet has clearly done their homework, as the front end instantly takes you back in time to the golden era of pickup trucks. The grille is a massive chrome masterpiece, boasting horizontal slats and proudly displaying the iconic Chevrolet emblem in the center. It's bold, unapologetic, and exudes a sense of rugged durability. The headlights are rectangular in shape, staying true to the truck's retro roots, but they've been modernized with LED technology. These lights not only enhance visibility at night, but also add a touch of sophistication to the overall design. Beneath the grille, you'll find a sturdy chrome bumper that's ready to take on whatever the road or the trail throws at it. The hood has subtle creases that give the truck a muscular stance without compromising its vintage appeal. Now, moving to the side profile, it's clear that Chevy wanted to maintain the boxy silhouette that made the original K-Series truck so iconic. The straight lines, flat panels, and squared-off wheel arches all scream vintage charm. But don't be fooled, this isn't just a copy-paste job from the past. The 2025 K20 incorporates modern elements like aerodynamic side mirrors with integrated turn signals, ensuring it meets today's standards of functionality and safety. Truck sits on massive 18-inch steel wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, giving it an aggressive stance that's ready for both on-road and off-road adventures. The side steps are functional yet stylish, made from brushed aluminum and designed to handle years of wear and tear. The wheelbase is slightly extended compared to the original 20, offering improved stability and ride comfort while maintaining its classic proportions. The rear of the 2025 Chevy K20 Vintage Pickup is just as captivating. The tailgate is embossed with the Chevrolet name, a nostalgic detail that fans of the original model will instantly recognize. Modern LED taillights flank the rear, designed with a rectangular shape to mirror the vintage aesthetic. The rear bumper is made from reinforced steel and features integrated steps for easier access to the bed. The bed itself is a practical workhorse, coated with a durable spray-on liner to protect it from scratches and dents. It comes with multiple tie-down points, a 120V power outlet, and an optional roll-up tonneau cover for those who need additional utility. Overall, the rear design balances form and function perfectly, ensuring it appeals to both purists and modern-day users. Now let's step inside and take a closer look at the interior of the 2025 K20. If the exterior evokes memories of a bygone era, the cabin is where Chevy has seamlessly combined vintage inspiration with modern comfort and technology. The dashboard design is simple yet elegant, dominated by horizontal lines and a dual-tone color scheme that harkens back to the original K-Series trucks. But unlike the bare-bones interiors of the past, this cabin is packed with modern features. At the center of the dash, you'll find a large 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system that's compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even wireless connectivity. It's intuitive, responsive, and ensures you stay connected, no matter where the road takes you. The analog dials on the instrument cluster are a throwback to the past, but they're complemented by a digital driver information display that offers customizable readouts for speed, fuel economy, navigation, and more. The steering wheel is a perfect mix of old and new, featuring a classic 3-spoke design with integrated controls for audio, cruise control, and hands-free calling. As for the seating, Chevy has gone all out to ensure comfort and durability. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, with contrast stitching and retro-inspired pattern. The front bench seat has been split to include a large center console that doubles as a storage compartment, complete with cup holders, USB ports, and a wireless charging pad. The rear seats are equally comfortable and spacious, making this truck a viable option for families or road trips. Other notable features include automatic climate control, a premium Bose sound system, and advanced driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Performance is where the 2025 Chevy K20 Vintage Pickup truly shines. Under the hood, you'll find a beastly 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. The truck is equipped with a robust 4x4 system that includes locking differentials, low-range gearing, and multiple terrain modes. Whether you're climbing rocky trails, navigating muddy paths, or cruising on the highway, the K20 handles it all with ease. The suspension has been tuned for modern comfort, so you won't feel every bump and dip like in the trucks of yesteryear. As for pricing, the base model of the 2025 Chevy K20 Vintage Pickup starts at $65,000. However, with additional options like the off-road package, premium interior upgrades, and advanced safety features, the price can climb to around $85,000. While this may seem steep, it's worth remembering that this truck isn't just a mode of transportation. It's a statement piece that combines heritage and innovation. So is the 2025 Chevy K20 Vintage Pickup worth it? If you're a fan of classic trucks and want something that blends old-school charm with modern performance, this pickup is an excellent choice. It's not just a vehicle. It's a celebration of Chevrolet's legacy. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly or utilitarian truck, there are other options out there. That's all for today's detailed review of the 2025 Chevy K20 Vintage Pickup. Let us know in the comments what you think of this retro modern marvel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.